So now in this class we are going to see how you can apply and change your textures from property editor, and we will add some colors to it as well. So stay tuned to the class and watch until the end. So basically what we will do, in the previous class we have created some look, right? I will definitely load my avatar. Okay. I want to use a mannequin. So let's say we have our shoes. Where is this avatar folder? Yeah, shoes, and I want her to wear heels. So yep. Okay. Now everything related to changing your topic start from an avatar as well. Okay, you can do this with your avatar, and if you click on the face, they will be made under the property editor. You can see the material type selected to plastic. What if you want leather? I'll give that a different color so that you can see. I want the gray one. That is leather in your avatar. If you're using metal, and it will give you that thing. Or if you don't want any color like me, I prefer to use as white, apply and close. It will give you that, metal vibe. Select your hands and make it metal. Select your legs and make them metal. I personally like metal a lot. In clothes 3D, they give a different shine to your clothes. Now that we have our mannequin ready, and it's time to put on some clothes. So where will you do that? How to add your custom folder in Flow is in library panel you will be seeing this plus icon. Okay, where you have saved your clothes, find that folders. I have given the name of basic clothes, I think so. Hmm. Okay, I have added my. Now I'll add this dress. Okay, now the pattern is here. Select both, use your Gizmo and track that to set onto the mannequin and simulate in spacebar. Spacebar means to simulate. Now that we have the fabric type on matte, this is your matte fabric. Okay, now you select that fabric type, you select that fabric, you will be seeing the properties related to your garment, which is a matte type. Material, go to your material. Under texture mapping, we have a type of fabric which is fabric matte. You click that down arrow, and first let me change the color of the fabric so that you can see. I want something dark red. Okay. And after texture mapping, you have something type to material matte. What if you do shiny? It is give that shine. Okay. Now, what if you want a satin? It will give that silky satin look. Okay. After that, select your fabric type. Each Try each one of the fabric. Now this is velvet. Now to see your garments in your real time, on this first switch or the first tool, and by turning aside you can see your velvet texture already. Okay, see that. Now that is done. You can now we have done your velvet fabric, right? You can do it to leather. Okay, you can do it to leather, and you can keep it to metal. Metal will give a whole different type of shine to your fabric. Now both don't look good in metal though, so we can change into some knitwear. See that it will change into knit. If you are zooming in, you can actually see your dress crocheted. Okay, this you can use for doing your sweaters and knitwear sweaters, and that is how you change your fabric types in your property editor. Now I'll change back to matte and I'll show you one more magic. I'll change the color to white. Let's say we are having you know this dress is plain, but without prints, that is not a fabric. Even if it's a plain fabric, we need some prints. So how to do that? Go to your Google, find for me floral prints work absolutely fine, and if you want any another animal prints or you know vertical prints or horizontal prints, you can go that. You can go to that, and I have downloaded a bunch of them, and we have very cute floral thing going on. So summer is coming up and our clothes need to be breathy. I will open. Now how did I do that is I have given under your basic parameters type basic parameters and texture. You click on this window icon which is your texture selecting icon. Now when you click that you can open n number of textures. Like if you are a dog lover, so you have this very cute print going on and you want to make a dress out of it, absolutely fine. But if you want something bigger, then what you will do? This is how you apply and change your textures as well. Now, if you are using this on matte and you want to see what it looks like on silky satin, on satin it is looking something like this, and on velvet it is look something like this one. Okay, this is how you can do you can add your prints, you can add your custom prints as well. You can download or make prints on your own as well, and you can add it as a texture in Flow 3D for your garments to see how do you get in the real time. Now, for suppose I want to change something to summer thing, so I don't want it as a velvet fabric. This is how you do it. This is how you add textures. Now, how to edit them is these three tools. Okay, this is your edit texture tool in 2D window as well as you can use it as a 3D window as well. Now, on 3D window, we can select the pattern that we are scaling and drag. It will appear on 2D window as well. By sliding that black line, you can adjust wherever your print you want. If you want more bigger prints like this, and you arrange it something like that, you have your perfect print ready. So you can edit your textures like that. You can edit from 2D window as well as the 3D window. Now you can rotate your textures. That rotation icon you can see, no? You can rotate. See that? You can do it with 3D window as well. So play with your textures and create your basic garment like this. That's